Hello everybody, Nexus here, and we're going to be beginning the second episode of the PHP Basics tutorial. What we're going to be doing today is PHP variables. They act much like variables in other coding languages, yet they're easier to define. Here, let me start off my PHP tags. And then change, I pressed shift instead. Alright. So let me change my encoding, or my language, sorry. How do you define a variable in PHP? You use the $, and then you put the name of your PHP variable that you want, and you put equals. Now there are two types of variables. They can contain text, say hello. Let's use quotes. Well, actually, there could be three, and there's a ton of other variables, but just the variables that you define, you can do var 1 equals var, and it'll have the same. It'll have hello. It'll have this written in var 1. Now var 2, I will have the number 1 in it. So I'm just gonna print var. Save it. Just gonna call it variables.php. Just open up your browser. Localhost /php tutorial /variables.php. See, now it has that text string hello. Now if we change this to print var1, as you can see, it won't change, as it has the same value as var. Now if I change it to var2, it'll print 1. Now there's also some other types of variables that we'll get into later, such as globals, such as post, get, session, cookie, and all the likes. And there's also variables where you get fields from a database. Say like I have a database about dogs, so I'm gonna say I queried dog info. If you don't know what that means, I get all the information from the database. We'll learn about these later, but it'll be like dog query dog query weight. We'll get the dog's weight from the database, and we'll learn all about that stuff later. But for now, this is all we're going to be learning about: how to define variables, what variables can contain, and the like. So thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you learned something.